Hello everybody, SpongeBob 971000 official here, and today this is the aftermath of Hurricane Matthew. Let's take a look around, shall we? Wow. Here's the fence that got knocked down yesterday. Damn, Matthew was so strong. Knocked down my fence. We're gonna repair the fence, this fence, which I'm gonna do the video repairing. Me and my dad repairing the fence today. I'm gonna upload it to this channel, and I'm gonna upload it to my channel. And here's the fence. It's back here. See, it's got a little bit of flooding. See all that? Yeah, this one's easy to fix. Yeah. So, we got some repairing to do and some cleaning up. The wind was so strong. So, you guys stay tuned later today for the videos to upload from my dad. I'm going to upload to this channel, and I'm going to upload repairing the fence to upload to this channel, then to my channel. So stay tuned for those two videos, and see y'all later.